Pure Hue, Unveiled, coloring your English vocabulary. Hello English enthusiasts. Today, we're going to dive deep into the phrase, pure hue. You might have come across it in art, design, or perhaps literature. Ever wondered what it really means? Stick around to find out. First things first, let's break it down. The word hue primarily refers to a particular shade or color. It's what we might ask when we say, "What hue is that?" referring to the specific color of an object. Now, when we add the word pure in front of hue, it amplifies the meaning. A pure hue is a color that hasn't been darkened by adding black, lightened by adding white, or changed by adding another color. Think of it as the untouched, unmodified, and genuine version of that color. For example, if you imagine the brightest, most vivid shade of red without any mixtures, that's a pure hue of red. In the realms of art and design, understanding pure hues is crucial. Artists and designers often start with pure hues and then modify them to get the desired effect. This concept helps in achieving uniformity and understanding the basics of color mixing. For language learners, knowing phrases like these can enrich your vocabulary and make your conversations colorful, quite literally. So there you have it. Pure hue is all about colors in their purest form, without any modifications. We hope this adds a splash of color to your English learning journey. Keep exploring, and remember, language, much like art, is all about expressing yourself in vivid and wonderful ways.